you're looking to buy anything from MVST Select, go ahead and get 10% off by using our coupon code at checkout from their website. It's Family Day Off without any spaces. Again, that's Family Day Off without any spaces. Use it at the coupon code section at checkout and you'll get 10% off of anything from their website. Hey everyone, so MVST Select sent us a new suitcase for us to review, and it is the Polycarbonate Series C45 model in the medium check-in size. So let's go ahead and open it up. So they sent this to us free of charge for us to review. So they didn't pay us, but they sent us a free case, and we're gonna make a review about it and let you know what we think. All right, so we got some protective packaging over here. We have a recyclable bag. Okay, we got the luggage tag made out of leather, like a nice leather. Your name, phone number, address. I just put my email if I were you. We got an owner's manual here to set up the locks, care instructions, and then warranty information. Let's read the warranty here. Your MVST Select luggage is covered by a 5-year limited warranty, and so 5 years. What does it cover? For 5 years, the warranty covers cracks or breaks in the shell, wheels, handles, or telescoping handles that break off and are no longer usable. The 5-year warranty does not cover the following: cosmetic damage, which is defined as scratches, dents, dings, scuffs, stains, color changes, normal wear and tear, technological obsolescence, or other non-functional changes in the appearance of the product occurred during normal placement of any non-defective pieces. The warranty does not include loss of functionality due to customers being locked out of the luggage, so if you forget your case, your code, I guess. The warranty does not say anything about the locks, you guys, which we did have a problem with in the Trek series, but they did replace that. We'll see. So here is the case. Ta-da! And as usual, it comes with this pretty nice carrying bag, which you can use like a laundry bag. It works quite well as a laundry bag, in fact. But this is the polycarbonate. I got the navy color, and it's quite light, I gotta say. We'll see how it compares to the aluminum cases. I think it's a little bit lighter than the aluminum. Seems to roll pretty nicely. Shell seems to be really nice and durable. And what I like about this are the locks right here. It's like really flush and sleek. Lock mechanism. And what I like about this compared to the Trek series is that it's integrated into the case. It's not like one lock per buckle. Should be a little bit more robust, I think. So we'll see. So let's try opening this bad boy. Ooh, that's a nice feeling mechanism right there. All right, so inside the case, it looks really nice. No loose threads or anything like that. Got a nice little separator here. Comes completely off. Comes off. You can make this hang in the bathroom, perhaps. Put your toiletries there. Pretty cool. Separator comes completely off. And then down here, you still have the straps to hold your stuff in. This works really well. If you have packing cubes, it'll just stay right in place. This right here is a completely sealed off space right here with a zipper. That's really nice. Keep it secure right there. So yeah, you could fit a good amount of stuff in there. So here's a pillow here on the couch, and it looks like it's like the perfect size for this. It's just about enough to fill that space. Let's see. I'll close it up. Yeah, that's about perfect right there. Here's another pillow the same size, and let's put that one here. That's about the amount of stuff you can fit into the medium size case. You got a couple more zippers right here. Closing it up. There you go. Let's see the handle. The handle seems a little more solid than actually the Trek aluminum one. That's pretty nice. So it's quite light compared to the aluminum one. So yeah, so far so good. So far I really like this case. I really like the color as well. It's the navy color. Navy's a good option because it's dark but still has a little bit of color, so I chose the navy. So we'll go ahead and pack it up on a trip. So this medium size I would say is good enough for like maybe a 5-day trip for a couple. Nothing more than that because it is still quite limited. It's not quite as big. For comparison, I have the large size from the Trek series here, and you could definitely fit a lot more in the large one. So the large one is definitely for a longer trip, maybe for more than a week, like 2 weeks. If you're going more than 2 weeks, I would say use this guy type of big guy, but anything less than that, maybe 5 days to a week and a half, you'd probably be able to get away with a medium size. A lot less bulky to move around, so yeah, we'll give you a full review as soon as we go on a trip with it. Thanks for tuning in, we'll see you soon.